Do you want to learn how to make lemongrass tea from lemongrass? Well, stick around and I'm going to show you how to do it. So now the first thing you're going to need is a pair of scissors. Basically, it's pretty self-explanatory, very simple tutorial. All you're going to do is start cutting, grab a big group, just start cutting a good bit of them. And we're going to take these and we're going to stick them in here, okay? So I'm going to get a good bowl full here. Just want to get as many as possible. Again, they smell wonderful. So good, they smell really good. And that's one of the things, benefits about making this tea is once you start boiling it, the smell just goes all the way through the house and it's a really wonderful smell. Mosquitoes don't like it, so it helps keep the mosquitoes away. Okay, this right here is probably enough for now. We're just going to start with this amount and we're going to start processing this. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take all this out. We're going to grab a good amount about this size and start cutting them up just like so. Okay, cut them again. Trying to get them in smaller slices so we can fit them in the pot. Okay, so now we just finished doing this right here, so that's all cut up. Now let's take this inside and show you the rest of the process. Okay, so now I'm in here, and we got the lemongrass leaves, so we're just going to take this and stick this in the pot, just like so. Stick it in the water. Okay, and try to get a good bit in there. That's probably good. I probably should cut these a little bit smaller. Some of them are a little too big for this, but hey, it'll have to work. Anyway, so now you got this in the pot, or stick on the stove. Okay, so it's been boiling for 5 minutes, so it's pretty much done. Just gonna kind of dump this out. Try not to make too much of a mess. And there we go. Okay, so now I've been straining it. This has been boiling about 5 minutes, so that's pretty much done. And it's just a yellowish thing, and it's pretty much it. And you can pour it, you can put some sugar in it, but it doesn't taste very good with sugar. It's just better by its own. And so that's it. So that's pretty much the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. We make lemongrass tea around here all the time. It's really good. We enjoy it. It has lots of benefits to it. That's why I thought I'd share that with you, this short video with you. And I hope you enjoyed it. This is we really love it. It keeps the mosquitoes away, smells good, tastes good, and yeah, just in all, a good thumbs up. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a like, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below and let me know what you thought about this video, and I'll see you next time on Ecuador Homestead. Bye.